The sheriff set me up and sold me out. The Baron was hunting the beast, and I set it free. But then that bastard brought the whole mine down on me. Olivia was right. I'm too weak to take him on unless I kill a whole lot more chimeras. But first, I need to confront the fucking sheriff.
back!
Need a weapon.
Do I fucking look like a makeover?
Electricity. Civilization.
Power's back. Means the hot plate works now. And
Electricity.
that means no more eating cold.
Where is she, Jacob?
Who?
The sheriff.
She came running in, grabbed a bunch of her stuff, and took off like she was on fire. She's not answering her radio. What is going on?
She knew I was coming for her.
What are you talking about?
So you didn't know.
No what?
She led me into a trap, Jacob. She made a deal with the Baron.
What?
Said she did it to protect her people. The Baron was waiting to ambush me and she was right there with him. So you didn't know.
No!
Well, you're in charge here now, so I'm giving you fair warning. She is going to pay for what she did to me.
The sheriff was our rock. She's the one who kept us together. There has to be a reason.
Forget about her. She is done. You need to run this place on your own now.
Jesus.
And the plan stays the same.
What plan?
The plan to take out the Baron.
I'm no soldier. The sheriff handled security. You know that.
Then I need you to give me whatever you have on him, whatever intel you guys have gathered.
We don't have anything on him, but I might know some people who do.
Who?
A group of exiles forced out by the sheriff. She never wanted us to speak of them or contact them, but I always kept a connection open. I couldn't just abandon them.
Who are they?
They are the infected ones. Some were fugitives from the Baron's lab that the sheriff wouldn't let in.
Where'd they go?
They banded together to form a community high in the mountains. They are all infected, but they've halted their progression with an infusion made from a rare strain of mushrooms. I never wanted to push them out, but if we wanted the sheriff's protection,
Reach out to them.
I'll make contact and let you know.
Good.
As if life couldn't be any slower here in Castor Woods.
Civilization.
I was beginning to think we'd be stuck in the dark forever. Then, bam! Power's come back on for good.
Baron's put together quite a crew. A crew that's all fucked in the head.
It is what it is.
Folks are sleeping easier, thanks to you.
I must have had a...
Thanks again for taking care of that situation, Kyle. Now that our guys aren't being hunted down, they can also help me restock.
I'm glad I could help, Doug. Let's see what you got.
Sheriff McCallum's gone. But we still have Kyle Crane. Hasta bien.
You give us something we haven't had for a long time. Hope.
As long as Kyle Crane's around.
Well, if it isn't the man of the hour, we owe you, mate.
Ah, well, feel free to show your appreciation.
Straight to it, huh? I will, but that might require some additional involvement on your part.
Of course it would. What's on your mind?
When we left Kremberg, we grabbed what we could. You know, food, meds, guns. But since we got here, we've been up against the Baron, infected, raiders, you name it. Our supplies are running dangerously low.
How low are we talking?
Had to introduce ammo rationing. Keep all records in here.
Yeah, that's rough, but I'm no magician. I can't just pull bullets out of thin air.
Then how about retrieving some lost crates from the aqueduct?
Go on.
During our escape, we were ambushed by raiders. We beat the hell out of them, but one of our containers fell into the water. It's full of bullets, Crane. Proper pre-fall military grade. We've been unable to reach it. Until now. Since you've restored the power, we have a shot at getting it back.
You have a plan?
There are old cranes there, just rusting away. If we can power one up, pulling the container out should be as easy as the claw machine at the Penny Arcade.
Yeah, which was rigged and never that easy. What's the catch?
Our area's crawling with infected. Bandits roam the district. And that equipment is old as shit. Anything could go wrong. But there's ammo in it for you. You up for it?
And for the promise of free ammo, I'm up for just about anything.
Well, if it ain't trouble on two...
Olivia. There was no sign of the sheriff at the town hall. Looks like she ran.
So she really was working for the Baron.
She claims she did it to protect her people, but I don't buy it. Right now, I just need to get stronger. Can you find me more chimeras?
I'm already on it. I'll get back to you as soon as I locate one.
Crane, do you copy?
I do. What's up, Jacob?
I reached out to the exiles, and one of them will contact you soon.
Crane, can you hear me?
What the hell?
Don't be frightened. I'm not your enemy. I'm a telepath. Jacob asked me to reach out.
No. The last time someone talked to me telepathically, it did not go well. Use the damn radio.
The radio isn't safe.
And this is freaky as fuck.
Meet me at Pembroke Farm. I'll explain everything.
Fucking telepathy, you've gotta be kidding me.
can you hear me?
Do I have a choice?
Pembroke Farm isn't safe. Meet me at the homestead in High Marshes instead. Someone's onto us. Hurry, please. Carl, the Baron's men are here. Hurry!
Forward and back all day.
The tracks lead straight here. It must be him.
Check the barn. I'll take the house.
Running won't help.
He might be off.
Secure the area.
But we gotta take him alive.
The ground. Ready to fight. Weapons! What are you waiting for?
Are you afraid to step up?
I can't stand the fucking stench! I'm warning you. You're fucked!
Hostiles up!
I can't get a fix on it! Prepare to bleed! Time to kick up the track. Stand down, or else. You're fucked! Don't mess with me. Come on! Bring it! Shit! You want to try me?
Kyle. Is it over?
Yes, the area's clear. Where are you?
I'm in the main farmhouse.
Stay there.
Thank you, Kyle. My name is Sven. I'm the one who guided you here. As you're infected, we can connect through our shared consciousness.
You don't believe it or not, Sven, you aren't the first telepathic infected I've had in my head.
Interesting. According to Jacob, you have other gifts, too.
Or curses, depending on your point of view.
Jacob said you needed our help.
What can you tell me about the Baron?
Quite a bit. We've been spying on him and his people for years. I'm glad to tell you everything we know, but right now, I must find 2 of my team who are missing.
You can't communicate with them telepathically?
If I could, I wouldn't be so worried about them. But when I reach out, there's nothing.
Think the Baron has them?
I don't know. But I'm sure they're in danger.
Okay. Where were they last seen?
Are you offering to help me find them?
Well, it'll be my good deed for the day.
Last time I heard from them, they were at one of our abandoned bases. A farm west of here. You'll see a big combine harvester there.
Fine, I'll take a look.
And now that we're connected, just call out to me and I'll hear you.
All right, but until I do, stay the hell out of my head. This must be the place. Sven, can you hear me? Hello? I feel like a fucking idiot.
I hear you.
Shit, that is still creepy. You said you used this place for a base?
Have you found anything?
No, not yet.
Check the attic. The entrance is in the hallway.
Yeah, now he tells me. These look like patrol routes. Is this an outpost?
Kyle, have you found my men?
No, but I found a map of the Baron's outposts.
If they were captured, you'll probably find them in one of those.
I'll see if I can track them down, but do me a favor.
Stay the hell out of your head.
Are you reading my mind again, Sven?
Keep your voice down. They'll hear you.
You think I'm afraid of those bricks?
They're not the only monsters out there. Could be volatiles. Shit!
He's up!
Echo 7, report.
This is, Echo 7, over.
We caught the freaks who attacked the patrol. Where have you been?
I was taking a dump.
Fuck, whatever. Rendezvous at Checkpoint Delta.
Where?
The pig farm. We're taking the prisoners back to the palace.
Copy that. See you soon, dumbass.
Incoming! Focus fire! Dial! Ready! Focus fire! Keep watch over the prisoners. Knock them out against these stuff. The Baron's orders. Watch them alive.
You sure they're not playing possum?
Wait! Wake up, you infected piece of shit!
Convoy's here. Get him in the truck.
Hands up. Slowly.
Hey, what's going on over there?
Subject out for approach. Visual on target. He's pulling a gun. Coming. Got you, fucker. Set the fire.
He's reloading! Get in!
Last round. Reloading.
Fight these!
Locked on target.
He's reloading! Go! Come get him!
Sven, I just saw your people. They're being transported somewhere.
I have people watching the roads. Soon as I can, I'll let you know where they're going.
Visual on target.
Weapon sight!
Kyle, they're stopped near the river. You need to catch up with them. A group of infected are blocking the road. I'm sending you the location.
Sven, I found them. And they don't look good.
They need an infusion. Hurry. There's a cave to the south. I'll send you the location.
Okay, I'm on my way. Hey, where's Sven?
Take them inside.
So I was just supposed to abandon them? To die?
What were you doing out there in the first place, Sven?
Reconnaissance! They're killing our people if we do nothing. How long before we're all wiped out?
Not much longer if the Baron tracks us down here.
Did Sven tell you who I am?
Thank you for your help, but you should leave now.
Lydia, this is Kyle Crane. He escaped from the Baron.
Crane? You brought Kyle Crane here? The Baron will tear this valley apart looking for him. Are you trying to get us all killed?
He can help us. Maybe even save us. He was tortured for years, just like we were. He needs answers, just like we do.
Is that what you want, Kyle? Answers?
What I want is that motherfucker's head on a platter. But to do that, I need to know where he's vulnerable.
I understand, but we can't be involved. It's just too dangerous. Please leave.
She's fun. Who was that?
Lydia. She's in charge here. Not exactly warm and cuddly, but don't let that discourage you. She'll come around. Hey, follow me. I want you to meet someone. Smile and move on. Keep your thoughts to yourself.
I'll come off the mushrooms and then... what? Better not to think about it. At least safe here.
Sven?
Kyle, meet Selby.
Kyle Crane, right? I'm in charge of radio surveillance.
Radio surveillance, huh? You got a hell of an operation here.
Lydia wants us to stay hidden. And I get that, but it leaves us blind. If the Baron tracks us here, that's it. It's over.
We need to know what they're thinking, planning.
Makes sense.
Do you know what this is?
Well, looks like some kind of radio transmitter.
Close. It's actually a booster. What the Baron uses to amplify his signal all over the valley.
If we can attach this to the Baron's main relay tower, we might be able to listen in on his comms. But the tower is insanely tall, and none of us have the skills necessary to climb all the way to the top.
Well, lucky for you, I've climbed a lot of insanely tall towers in my time.
So with your skills, climbing to the top of a transmission tower should be a piece of cake.
Great big piece of really shitty cake.
Look, Kyle, if we can find out what he's really after, that could be a game changer.
Anything we hear will pass on to you. we'll get the full picture of what he's up to.
What do you think?
All right. Where do I put this thing?
There's a relay installed on a high-voltage transmission tower in the woods. I'll guide you there.
All right, fine. Sven already knows this, but do me a favor, stay out of my head. Use a radio if you want to talk to me.
Telepathy's safer, but we can use the radio if that's what you wish.
Yeah, that's what I wish. I'll be in touch.
Oh, and Kyle, take this too.
What's this?
A grappling hook. You might find it useful. Back in this shithole, right?